race car using paint, scissors, glue, oil paper tube, and cardboard, and a paintbrush, and needles. But I don't really know what this is. Adult to cut out a rectangular shape and 4 circles like so. Next, we do the painted toilet paper tube. Color in a color in your choice. Out paint to dry. Next, make your adult cut out 6 circles in the cardboard. But tube is dry, we would assemble the wheels. Assemble the wheel with the paper fastener. Almost done. First, I will glue the 2 circles at the end of the side. Don't forget the steering wheel. I then go decorate my car by using stickers. I then go put it on now. What do you think, guys? Thanks for watching, and like, share, and subscribe if you're new. Bye! I will miss you. Oh, so bright.